this strange object in an antique and junk shop in a small town in France. No one knew what it was. When we got it home, the mystery deepened.
What is this mystery object? It's very old, it's extremely light, and it bounces. It's got hinges at the end and a wire piece in the middle. When it's like that, it's rigid. Yeah. Who can tell? Who knows?
It's in the shape of an aircraft wing. France has always been at the forefront of aviation technology. Could we have found a piece of ancient tech, an early precursor to the flexible wing idea? Aerospace engineers are looking at the idea of being able to change the shape of an aircraft's wing while in flight, but using modern, flexible materials. Maybe the object we found had already solved that mystery. If you know what it really is, please let me know. And remember, the truth is out there.